1. The Earth, our home. In this chapter, we will learn about the Earth, shape of the Earth, horizon, coast, do MCQs, fill in the blanks, do a class activity, hone our life skills. Every morning we see the sun rising in the east. In the evening, the sun sets in the west. The rising sun brings the day for us, and the sunsets brings the night. At night, the sun is not visible, but we can see the moon in the sky. We can also see a large number of twinkle stars in the sky. The sun, the moon, and the stars are called heavenly bodies. Did you know the sun is also a star? The sun has a big family called the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. All planets move around the sun. Our Earth is the third planet in the solar system. The moon also belongs to the solar system. It is the satellite of the Earth. The Earth is the home of all living things. The living things or the Earth includes human beings, animals, and plants. The Earth is suitable for living things because it is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. About three-fourths of the Earth is covered by water and one-fourth is land. All living things need air and water to live. Thus, life is possible on the Earth. Shape of Earth. In ancient time, people thought that the Earth was flat. They were scared of traveling too far off places for the fear that they might fall off the edges. But there were people like Aristotle and Copernicus who said that the earth was not flat. They said that the earth is shaped like a ball and has no edges. Activity. Identify and name the following. About 500 years ago, in the year 1519, a Portuguese sailor called Ferdinand Magellan started on a long voyage from Spain. He wanted to prove that no one could fall off the earth. He himself could not finish the journey, but his sailors continued to sail in one direction only. To their surprise, after 3 long years of sailing, they reached the place from where they had started the voyage. This meant that they had sailed around the earth. It is also proved that the earth had no edges. In fact, it was round like a ball. Actually, earth is round like an orange, slightly flat at the top and the bottom. If you stand on the roof of the tall building in your city and look around, you will notice that far away from the building, the earth and the sky are meeting. The meeting place is called the horizon. The place where land and sea water meet is called the coast. New words. Solar system. The family of the Sun, which has planets, satellites, and other heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies. The objects which we can see in the sky. Recap. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The Earth is the home of all living things. All living things need air and water to live. Aristotle and Copernicus said that the Earth is shaped like a ball and has no edges. Magellan also proved that the Earth had no edges